Dealers, GMs, internet directors, BDC directors, my car people, where you at? We're going to Orlando, Florida. That's right. April 10th to the 12th in beautiful Orlando, Florida is the upcoming Digital Dealer Convention. That's right. It's going to be at the Orange County Convention Center. Yours truly, I got 2 workshops, not 1, but 2. I got a back-to-back powerhouse, 100 minutes of inspiration, motivation, and education. That's right. So we're going to be talking about blueprinting a highly functional and highly profitable internet dealership. Well, wait a minute. I didn't say internet department, I didn't say BDC, I said internet dealership. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to build an ecosystem. I'm gonna show you how to build and synergize the showroom sales department with the internet sales or BDC and put them together. Why? Because that is the best way to do it. Folks, you're gonna be shocked to hear this, but I have generated over $1 billion in my mini-me voice, right? I've built BDCs after BDCs, internet departments after internet departments, and dealer signatures responsible for over $1 billion of our clients' additional gross profits. I've trained over 30,000 automotive sales professionals and almost 1,300 rooftops. So over my 19 years of experience, I've learned the formula. I've learned the secrets on how to build an internet dealership. You gotta realize something. Why is it that the automotive industry is plagued with a 70% attrition ratio? That means 70% of your showroom sales floor will be gone within the first year. Why is it that over 80% of all BDCs are broken and non-profitable? Yeah, if you come to my workshop, I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you how to fix it too. The answer is an internet dealership, not an internet department. And it was so important that I teach you this that Digital Dealer decided to give me 2 back-to-back sessions of part A and part B because I can't fit it all into just one session. I'll see you in Orlando.